January 27, 2021 notes. So we're going to talk about some integers. So an integer is a whole number, so it's a whole number. So we're going to take this and drag it. A whole number that can be either greater than or less than 0. Those can be in any order. So greater than or less than 0. All right, so remember, it's not going to be a decimal and it's not going to be a fraction. So let's see, an integer, a whole number that's greater than or less than 0, negative 100. That is going to be an integer. So we are going to click and drop this into our integer box. The next one, 75%. A percent is not an integer, so we're going to put that in our not integers. 1 and 5/10, that's not an integer, that's a decimal. Fraction, 2/3, that's not an integer either. 62, that is an integer, it's a whole number. And then 4 and 1/2, that is not an integer because that is a fraction. So that is going to be it with our little hint of introduction of integers. We're going to get some practice on the next slides. Great job.